How to show open to work on LinkedIn under your profile or on your profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can show open to work on LinkedIn on your profile. First things first, you want to open up your LinkedIn application or LinkedIn account. Here what you want to do is you want to head over to your profile. If you are on the application, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on view profile. Now here, if you see here, you can see under my profile, you can see open to work here. So I'll just open it up and I'll delete this off real quick here so you can see how you can remove it as well. So now here, in order to add it to your profile to open to work, you want to first tap on open to option on your profile. Then you can see you'll find finding a new job, hiring, providing services. Since you want to add open to work, you want to head over to finding a new job, tap on it, and then you want to add job titles here that you wish to work as, sales assistant, any particular one that you wish to add here. So I'll just add these random ones, tap and done here. Now you can see location types, locations, start date. You can add it here, employment type, full-time, part-time, contract, internship. And now you'll have to select visibility, whether you want to set your visibility of open to work to recruiters only or to all LinkedIn members. So I'll just set all LinkedIn members here and then tap on save, and once you do so, it'll be saved, and now it'll be opened up on your profile, and you can see it says open to work. So this is the way that you can show open to work on LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.